guys, welcome to my channel. So today we will be learning how to use YouTube Data API v3. So using this API we will be able to get the details of the video uploaded on YouTube. The details such as the count of the likes, comments. So today, so using the for using that API we will be using Python. So first of all we will need to install this library that is known as Google API Python client. Once we install this library, it is necessary to enable that API from our Google Cloud Console. So as you can see, YouTube Data API v3 here option is given. We just need to go inside it and enable the API. Here enable button will be there as I have already enabled it. Then you can go towards the credentials tab. From the credentials tab, you can create the new credentials and extract the API key. That API key we will be needed to access the same API from Python code. So as you can see here it is the code for that API. So here I am passing the ID of the video. So let's run this code. So as you can see uh, our code has written the response of title of the video, count, and like count. So I am also opening the video of last and react this. So as we can see that there are 50 likes and 4.4k views. The same our code has responded. So this much only for this video. I will meet in the next video. Thank you. Bye bye.